Only these are here. Very less in number you are. So just I am waiting 2 minutes. Then I will start. Many of the students are not joining the class because I am asking the question in these days. That's why they are not joining. But they are not understanding the importance of this session. This session will help you to write the paper, whatever the lessons are coming in portion. We are just giving the revision. If you will learn it, it will be better for you. That's why I have started this session, question answer session. Sasmita Mahapatra, Suman. Yes. Now 9 we are in number. आरती, अभिषेक, आदित्य, अमीश, बादल, मणिशंकर, नेहा, Sasmita, Suman. Only these are. Very few students are here. All are just have a, they are panic, fear. Because I'm asking the question, that's why. Okay, no problem. Let them to come. I have taken the screenshot who are here in the class, and then I will ask them how they are sending the attendance. Okay, my dear students, now I am going to start the class. Yeah, now Jagriti joined the class. My dear students, I have sent you today the portion which we will talk over it. The lesson is the bond of love. I have taught you the lesson. In this lesson, you saw how it was an emotional love between the animal and the human beings. How the writer's wife, while loving too much to the bear baby, and in reciprocate, the bear was also loving to her very much. They both were attached to each other due to the love. It was a reciprocal. रेसिप्रोकल मतलब यदि हम किसी को लव दिखाते हैं, लव करते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली उसका रिटर्निंग हमें अवश्य मिलता है। तो इस लेसन में दिखाया गया है कि किस प्रकार से यदि ह्यूमन बीइंग एनिमल्स को लव करते हैं तो रिटर्निंग में, जिसे हम रेसिप्रोकल कहते हैं, एनिमल्स भी उस ह्यूमन बीइंग को कितना लव करते हैं। तो एक अटैचमेंट जो है ह्यूमन बीइंग और एनिमल्स के बीच का, जो अटैचमेंट है, जो इमोशन है, उसी का नाम है लेसन का द बॉन्ड ऑफ लव। मीन्स लव ऑफ इमोशन बिटवीन द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड एनिमल्स। सो नाउ लेट अस सी इन डिटेल by asking so many questions from you, it will be cleared and your doubts will be cleared too much. Yes. Those who are not coming, let them to रहने दो उन्हें घर से बाहर, no problem है. Amish, you raising the hands. What? Yeah, you tell me, beta. You can ask me. Yes, Amish.
Sir,
Turn on video
I'm
first.
raising hand. Sir, I'm
What for?
raising hand. If you ask questions, so I can give answer.
Good, good, very good, very good, very good. Yeah, good, beta. But first of all, turn your video. I'm going to ask you. I'm very happy you are very interested in the class. So I'm very happy. Yeah, Aditya left the class. Good. अब यहाँ पर आदित्य जो था क्लास ज्वाइन किया था, उन्होंने लेफ्ट कर दिया आज। मनीष शंकर, सबको ध्यान देते रहना कौन क्लास में है। मनीष शंकर, कैन यू हियर मी?
यस सर।
या आपने देखा अभी आदित्य लेफ्ट कर गया। हाँ, आप दिखते रहना कौन कौन क्लास में है आज। अभी तो बिट्टू भी नहीं ज्वाइन किया है क्लास आज। उसका जो फ्रेंड एक आदित्य बैठता है उसके दुकान में, वो भी नहीं है ना। काफी फास्ट फ्रेंड है, उनके पास 24 घंटा रहता है वो। गुड बॉय है। अभी तो आ गया लग रहा है आदित्य, 9th ए लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर।
सर वो ओम 9th है।
कौन है आदित्य? तो है
सर
यहाँ लिखा
आदित्य
हुआ है।
राज, आदित्य 9th है, ये दूसरा बच्चा न्यू स्टूडेंट है सर।
अच्छा, वो आदित्य नहीं है जो दुकान पर रहते हैं उनके? अच्छा
यस
अच्छा,
सर, वो नहीं है।
गुड। आप दिखते, चलो अमीश, वी वुड लाइक ओम। ओम आ गए आज, गुड। टुडे आई सॉ हिम। ओम हैव ज्वाइन द क्लास। प्रियंका कुमारी हैव ज्वाइन द क्लास। देवेश लोहिया हैव ज्वाइन द क्लास। बादल also came here. Yes, Amish, now turn on your video. Yes, Amish.
Sir, I have turned on.
Yeah, good boy. Now listen to me, and each and every student listen to me. Whatever the question I'm going to ask, listen to me carefully. Everyone. Amish, now you tell me, what is the first incident is going to be with the baby bear? You talk about the first incident which is going to be with the baby bear in the story.
The first incident of the baby bear was when he was going with his mother. The writer companion shoot his mother, and he got scared and run. But the writer caught him and uh, and get to home with his wife, and they kept him and become a domestic pet.
Very good, Amish, very good. But I'm talking about when the baby bear have been brought in home. When the baby bear have been brought in home, the first incident took place there. What it was the incident first?
The baby bear, when he would took in a home, the first incident was he ate carbon sir वो rat
Barium
killed
carbonate. Barium carbonate.
barium carbonate. It was a poison that killed the rat, but when the baby bear eat, he got paralyzed. Then the writer went to the doctor and tell him that he ate the poison. The doctor immediately uh, take a injection and gave him. Then he got normal.
Very good, very good. I'm very happy. Very good. Fantastic. Yes, good. Now, here I think Sarad is here. I can see him on the screen. Sarad, can you hear me, Sarad? Sarad Thapaji, can you hear me? Sarad Thapaji, can you hear me? Sarad Thapa.
Sir, he can't hear. He had left.
He left na? You remember those who are leaving the class. आप याद रखना जो क्लास छोड़ के भाग रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स से कंप्लेन करना है अभी इन बच्चों को. Sasmita is raising the hand. Amish raising the hand. Yes. Even Aarti also raising the hand. Aditya, I think want to say something. You are a new boy. Okay, Aditya. Yeah, Aarti is raising the hands. But I want the answer from the Devesh Lohia. Can you raise the hand, Devesh? Devesh Lohia. Can you turn on your video? Devesh, Vida, can you? What happened? Left करके देवेश की है ना? देवेश तो है अभी. बेटा आप क्या अपने वीडियो को ऑन कर सकते हो देवेश? कैन यू हेयर मी देवेश? नो, he can't hear.
Sir, he
Okay,
left. No,
he
sir,
left ना?
no, sir, आ गए.
नहीं वो तो है, देवेश तो है. I can see him on the screen. I can. Okay, no problem. Let him. Actually, he doesn't want to speak at all. So no problem. I'm giving the yes. I would like to ask here. Yes. I'm starting from the yes, Sasmita. Yes, Sasmita. Raise your hand and turn on your video. Yes, Sasmita, turn on your video.
Yes, sir, I have turned on.
Yeah. Sasmita, now tell me, every boy listening you, what was the first incident which took place in the home of writers?
Sir, the first incident was taken place in the library of the author's house. The baby bear, the Bruno accidentally drank the barium carbonate which was kept to kill the rats, and he was hospitalized for some days. He started weakening. His body started weakening, and he started vomit again and again. The doctor gave him some medicines, and he started to soon he started to well soon,
Very
and
good.
he
Very good.
started to.
Thank you. Thank you, Sasmita. Very good, beta. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now another boy. Now this time the boy. Raise the hand yourself. Those who will raise the hand, I will ask. Boy, I would like to see here boys. यहाँ कोई बॉय हाथ उठाएंगे, मैं उनसे जानना चाहूंगा. Yes, Chandan. Chandan,
Yes, sir.
turn on video. First of all, turn on video, beta.
Sir, I am unable to on my video.
Okay. What the problem is?
सर एक्चुअली बाय मिस्टेक मैंने जूम ऐप डिलीट कर दिया था, और फिर जब मैंने डाउनलोड करके क्लास अटेंड किया तो मैंने गलती से ऑप्शन आता है ना वहाँ पे अलाउ का वीडियो ऑन का, तो मैंने ऑफ पे क्लिक कर दिया, फिर मुझे डिलीट करके डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा. तो सर ना
Okay.
वीडियो ऑन
अब
किया
है.
नहीं पूछ सकते?
Okay. अब है कैन यू टर्न ऑन वीडियो? अब है 9th भी अब है. अब है कैन यू नॉट लिसनिंग. अमृता साहनी, कैन यू हेयर मी?
Yes, sir.
टर्न ऑन वीडियो बेटा.
Sir, अब है left.
She also left. अब है left ना? Okay, let them to go. I'm not bothering about them. मुझे कोई टेंशन नहीं है बेटा, आप सब यही रहो. हमारे यदि 20 बच्चे भी अच्छे करते हैं तो आई एम हैप्पी. अब वो लेफ्ट कर गए, आप पेरेंट्स घर में नहीं होंगे हो सकता है, इसलिए वो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, है ना. चलो आरती.
Yes, sir.
कैन यू टर्न ऑन वीडियो? आरती.
Yes, sir.
You all are taking too much time, just wasting the time. You all are very time you are taking here.
Sir,
Whenever
my
I
video
take the
is
name, just
on.
you have to.
Sir, मेरा वीडियो ऑन है.
Yeah. Jagriti. Jagriti, turn on video. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Turn on video, da. Turn on video. Yes, Jagriti, turn on video. And listen to me, all students. Be ready. Anytime you can tell, you will be asked to open your video. Anyone. So you just set your video where you want to show and just be according to this. Get ready. Any moment I can say you to turn your video. Now let's see. Jagriti.
Yes, sir.
What is the importance of barium carbonate? How it is useful for what? What do you know about the barium carbonate? Just Smita explained it about the barium carbonate. Time is over. Aarti. Aarti, turn on video. Aarti. She could not. Aarti also could not. Okay.
Sir.
No. मैं चांस एक ही बार देता हूं बच्चों को. जो बच्चा ने ऑन किया मतलब वो अपने से बोल रहे हैं, इसका मतलब कहीं कोई किताब पढ़ रहा है. मैं उससे लाइक नहीं. अभिषेक शर्मा.
मेरा
यू हैव टू लिसन. आपको सुनना पड़ेगा बेटा. अब आप सुनिए. अब आप सुनिए. अभिषेक. अभिषेक शर्मा, कैन यू आंसर माय क्वेश्चंस?
यस सर.
Turn on video. Abhishek Sharma. Yes, good. What is the importance of barium carbonate?
The importance of barium carbonate to kill the rat.
Rat and
It is
mice.
it is a poison.
Yeah, it is one kind of a poison and it is used to kill a rat and mice. What was the first incident took place in the story? In the bond of love? Explain it.
The first incident with Bruno in the author home, he ate the barium carbonate. It is used to kill the rat and mice, and Bruno leg is going to be paralysis, and author take him to hospital to take care of Bruno.
Very good. Thank you so much. Nice, teach. Good. I'm happy. Yeah, let's see more. Here, Abhishek Sharma, I to done. Chandan also is in the hands. He is unable to just. But I am asking the question, Chandan, from you. Can you hear me, Chandan? Can you hear me,
Yes,
Chandan?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you tell me what was the second incident took place in the story, The Bond of Love. Second incident. You are telling us that you can't turn on video, no problem. You answer my question. What was the second incident took place in the story, The Bond of Love? Now answer us.
Sir, the second incident was happened.
Yeah.
He drank nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil, but luckily it had no ill effect on him.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, good. But I have doubt because the children are not doing the video on, so that I have doubt from where they are answering the question. If they are doing on the video, now it will be perfect. Yeah, Amish, welcome. Your sister, looking very nice. Amish, see your sister, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, welcome. Yeah, now come to the point. Another boy, Chandan answer. Thank you, Chandan. Abhishek Sharma also answer. Amish also participated. Sasmita also participated today. Aarti couldn't answer me questions today. I couldn't understand what the problem going on really with her. Aarti Singh. Aarti Singh, turn on video. Aarti Singh. Can you hear me, Aarti Singh?
Sir.
Can you?
Yes, sir.
Aarti, Aarti Singh. Yes, Aarti Singh. Turn on video.
Sir.
What here? Yes, beta. Tell me, Aarti Singh.
Yes, sir.
Turn on video. See, you all are in your home, feeling comfortable, even you are not doing on your video. So how can the teacher will faith on you people? आप सोचो बच्चे घर में बैठे हो और टीचर अपने घर में बैठा है, आप अपने घर में हो सही बच्चे, और फिर भी आप वीडियो ऑन नहीं करोगे तो फिर टीचर को ट्रस्ट कैसे होगा कि हमारे बच्चे हमारी बातों को सुन रहे हैं बेटा। इसलिए जिनका भी नाम ले रहे हैं, whenever I am taking the name, turn on your video, then I can talk easily. Yes, Aarti, turn your video. Adil, can you? Adil, can you turn your video down? Adil, can you hear me? Adil. Adil. अच्छा, अंकित यादव.
सर ही हैड नॉट ओपन द सर उसने जब आता नहीं है सर कॉल ओवर इंटरनेट तभी उसने ऑन ही नहीं किया सर अभी तक।
कौन? नहीं, आरती तो है।
ऑडियो कनेक्ट नहीं किया।
आदिल 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 ने कल तक कनेक्ट ही नहीं किया है।
अच्छा, आरती तो आ गई, आरती सिंह तो दिखाई पड़ रही। आरती चलो अभी अच्छी, आप तो आ रहे थे बेटा। टर्न ऑन वीडियो आरती। यस यस आरती, कैन यू हियर मी? बट आई कांट हियर यू, कैन यू हियर मी? आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है बेटा, आरती की आवाज नहीं आ रही है। अनेबल टू रीच द वॉइस। ओके अंकित यादव।
सर
अंकित यादव,
sir she had
Okay.
muted so it is not.
yeah you are right, many of the students are not understanding actually, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ankit Yadav, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now tell me, what was the first incident took place in the story and what the result became? According to the story, what incident took place and what the result was? Yes, Ankit. Look at me, you are reading the book.
सर मैं आपको हिंदी में बताता हूँ सर।
Yeah, tell me, I am asking.
हिंदी बताओ सर।
Yeah, what was the first incident took place in the story and what was the result?
सर पहले वो सर जो सर राइटर थे सर वो पहले गए थे सर वहाँ पे कहीं घूमने, तो सर उन्होंने जंगल में देखा कि सर एक ये हिरण जो रहता है सर ब्रूनो, उसकी सर मम्मी मर गई रहती है, तो सर फिर वो उसको उठा के ले आते हैं। फिर उसके बाद फिर जो भी मतलब फिर वो सर शैतानी बहुत करने लगता है सर, कुछ कुछ खाने लगता है, कभी बॉरियम कार्बोनेट खा लेता है, कभी तेल वेल सब कुछ पी जाता है सर, इसका फिर मतलब।
Okay, good. Good, Ankit. But you try to speak in English. Okay, beta? But it is right. Okay? Yeah, right. Neha, can you turn on video? Neha? Miss Neha,
Yes, sir.
turn on your video, Neha. Turn on your video, Neha. Yeah. Neha.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now tell me what is the use of barium carbonate? What is the use of barium carbonate, beta? As per the story. I think she is not a connectivity problem. Just uh, yeah, Jagriti. Now it's okay. Connection. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Turn on video, beta. Yeah. What is the use of barium carbonate
So it's used in to kill the rats.
and mice?
Yes, sir.
What was the first incident became in the home of writers? What was the first incident took place in the home of writers?
Read at and he gone to paralyze, and the author took him to the doctor.
What had happened?
So
What was
Bruno,
the first incident became in the home of writers? When he brought the Bruno at home, what the incident took place? Means you are not listening the story. Yeah, Prince. Prince, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Prince, turn on video, Prince. Yeah, Prince. Do you know the story? The bond of love?
सर मैंने सुनी नहीं है.
आप न्यू स्टूडेंट हो क्या?
Yes,
9 में
sir.
बेटा?
Yes, sir.
From which school? From which school you have come here? Welcome. From which school you have come here? आप किस स्कूल से आए हो बेटा?
सर सिटी से आया हूँ. सिटी कॉन्वेंट सेकेंडरी स्कूल.
Good. Have you heard the story what I taught you? क्या कहानी सुना था आपने जो मैंने पढ़ाया था?
No, sir.
So how can you answer the question? Where you were the day when I taught you?
Yes, sir.
Where you were the day when I taught the story?
सर कहीं गया था कहीं.
Why?
फंक्शन
Why
था.
you had gone there? It was the time of school, time of class. Then how can you be absent there? Class के time पे absent कैसे हो सकते हो? Means you are not giving the importance of class. देखो आप कहानी बेटा सुनोगे तब तो आंसर दोगे ना. आप कहानी नहीं सुनेंगे तो आंसर कहाँ से देंगे? The same is happening here, right ना? अब से आप कहानी सुनना और फिर आंसर देना बेटा. Okay? Welcome in the RKPS. Okay? Yeah. Chandan is raising the hands. Ankit Yadav is raising the hands. Abhishek Sharma also raising the hands. Yeah, I would like to come Mani Shankar Jha now. Turn on video. Mani Shankar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What was the second incident became in the home of writers in the story? What was the second incident became in the home of writers?
It is drink सब ऑयल इसने पी लिया था सर.
Yeah. Bruno drank an engine oil. right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bruno drank an engine oil, but no effect it was on her body, on its body, right? उसके body पे कोई effect नहीं था. What was the first incident took place?
Bruno eat carbon hydroxide.
Barium carbonate.
Sorry, sir. Barium carbonate.
Yes. What the result became when he ate, past tense na, eat, ate, eaten. So when he ate the barium carbonate, what had happened? क्या हुआ बेटा उसके बाद?
So Bruno feel very full, unable to. Sorry, नहीं पता.
He got paralyzed. He got paralyzed. Paralysis की बीमारी हो गई थी ना. He was suffering from paralysis. When he drank it, na, he suffered a lot of paralysis. His body, entire body got paralyzed. उसके entire body क्या हो गए थे? Paralyzed. Paralyzed मतलब क्या होना? Unconscious हो जाना, senseless हो जाना, हैं? And the result became he went to the veterinary doctor, right? Yes. So listen the story. So you all, then you can answer the questions well. Yes. Here over, I would like to come. Anjali Lohia. Now Anjali Lohia, turn on video, beta. Yes. Anjali. What was the name of beer? What was the name of beer? Baby beer का नाम क्या था बेटा? What was the name of a baby bear? Amrita Sahani. Amrita.
Yes, sir.
What was the name of baby bear?
Bruno.
Yes. Bruno. It was Bruno. The name of baby bear was Bruno. Right?
Bruno.
Yeah. Have you heard the story well? Why? Listen. Question I'm asking. Why the Bruno has been taken in the zoo? Why the Bruno has been taken in the zoo? Why the Bruno has been taken into the zoo? Zoo में क्यों ले जाया गया Bruno को बेटा? Sasmita Mahapatra. Sasmita. Turn on video.
Sir.
Why the Bruno has been taken in the zoo?
So because he has grown a very big and he was unable to keep at home. He was grown very big and large size.
Yeah. See, absolutely correct. Actually, what had happened due to the too much love showing after a writer's wife, he became a bigger than the Alsatian dog, and now it was looking very, very huge. And all the neighbors were very in danger. That's why the writer decided that it must be go on the zoo due to its size. Its size was very big now. अब उसकी जो साइज बड़ी हो गई थी, अब वो अल्सेशियन डॉग से भी बड़ा हो गया था, तो लोगों ने सोचा यह उसके लिए खतरा है. Now he has been taken in the zoo. They decided to take it. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Just a minute. Yes, Aarti.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Aarti. Turn on video, beta.
Yes, sir. सर मेरा वीडियो ऑन है तब भी ये ऑफ दिखा रहा है.
अच्छा. No problem. I'm asking the question.